Hi, this is Thomas Winchell with Hangouts for You TV, and today we're fortunate enough to have Dr. Alan Gibbs from Huntington, Long Island, to answer our question of the day: how do you find a really good orthodontist? So I wanna welcome Dr. Gibbs onto our program today, and he's going to answer our question: how do you find a really good orthodontist?
Tom, it's a pleasure to be here. There are many ways to find an orthodontist. The most popular nowadays is doing an internet search. You can look up reviews on Yelp and WebMD and see which orthodontist has good reviews and a good reputation. You also want to look up orthodontists, look at their websites. Most orthodontists have one. It gives you a good view of what their office looks like, where it's located, and gives you an idea of the basic services that they offer. Another way to look is look up the offices, see if they have a Facebook page. Facebook is very popular, and the information there is usually a little more up-to-date than one can put on a website. Many orthodontists come up when you do these web searches, so another way to go about finding one who you think would fit best for you is, if you're not new in the area, ask your friends and neighbors. Ask them who they've had a positive experience with and where the outcome has been something that they're really happy with.
Well, that sounds like great advice, Dr. Gibbs. Obviously, there's a lot to choose from when you are looking online, so I like the idea of looking at the reviews, and that way you get a good idea of what others have already experienced with that particular doctor. And obviously their website would have more tell of their experience and such, and before and after work. Sounds like a great way to get things started. So can you tell our viewers, Dr. Gibbs, what type of experience would they have if they contacted your office?
Well, we try to make appointments easy for the patients to make. You call up, and we can see you at your earliest convenience. And we also offer free consultations so that you don't have any great fear of coming into the office and having to write a huge check just to find out if your child even needs braces. In my office, we run on a very tight schedule. We usually see our patients between 10 to 12 minutes of their appointed time. Time is very precious to everybody, and we certainly don't want to keep people waiting in our reception room when they've got plenty of other things that they should do.
Well, Dr. Gibbs, it sounds like you truly care about everyone there, and obviously it would be a great reason to visit your clinic to see if you are a good fit. I think it's great, short waits. It's important. Obviously, you're not overbooking and just trying to fill the room up. Can you tell us a little bit more about the free consultation for any new patients that would be contacting you?
Well, our consultation involves me looking at the occlusion, seeing what's wrong, and giving you a reasonably good estimate of the time involved and the expenses involved. We take our time with the examinations because we want to try to form some kind of a bond, if you will, with the patient. Remember, this is a long-term commitment. If you're not comfortable with the orthodontist, or your child isn't comfortable with the orthodontist, perhaps it's not the office for you. But certainly coming in for a consultation, as we like to say, looking never hurts.
Well, Dr. Gibbs, it sounds great. Very good reason to contact Dr. Gibbs in Huntington, Long Island. You can contact him at 631-421-0226. And we have also www.drgibbsortho.com. I think, Dr. Gibbs is offering a great way to get your foot in the door, get comfortable, and find that comfort zone for that lifetime great smile that you're trying to create for your children. Dr. Gibbs, thank you so much. It was a great answer for our question of the day: how to find a really good orthodontist. Thank you again.
Thank you, Tom.